갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Secret, okay? So hope you all are doing good, and thanks to my subscribers, and welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. Turn on your bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. Okay, so our online training class is still going on, and we are going to be doing the 50% discount. We are going to be doing the 50% discount. So we are going to start the online training class. Like, you're watching this video now, if you're interested, please, the number, my WhatsApp number is below the description box of this video. Okay, I need just 20 people. After 20 people, I'm not going to take it because I don't want how will I put it, I don't want something that is going to be too stressful for me. Yes, I don't want something that will be too stressful for me, and I have other things doing. I have formulations, I make products for wholesale, so, and I do other business also, not just skincare, you know, I do other business, so I don't want it to be too crowded. Just 20 people. The first 20 people, we are going to be doing 50% discount. If you want to learn the organic, then you can learn the organic. If you want to learn the promising, then you can learn the promising. So the promising, there is no much, how will I put it, the promising class is not all about teaching. Just the formulations. I send you the formulations and you're just going to follow it and you get it correctly. And we have 35 effective products in the promising class. 35 effective products in the promising class. And we have the other one is what, stink 16 or 20. Yeah, okay, we have 20 products in the organic class. 20 effective products in the organic class. So it's depending on what you want to learn, right? So it's 50% discount, just 20 people. I'm sorry if you come to me and I tell you that the class is already full. Don't get annoyed, so don't be angry. So I just need 20 people, please. Okay, so what are we talking about today? Okay guys, sorry for that. Today I'm going to be talking about standard face lotion. Yes, we are going to be talking about standard face lotion. This is a very good lotion. So this is liquid, but they call it lotion. It's a liquid and it's also a cleanser. So we have for the legs, we have the knuckles, we have the face. This is the standard face lotion, and you can use this on your face. You can use this on your knuckle. We have for the knuckles and for the legs. So, but for me, I think you can also use this for your knuckles and for your legs because I have used it and it works well. So this standard face lotion, you can use it to make a promising sunburn product, which is on the sunburn cleanser, and you can use it to make a face cream. Just like if you want to make a face cream, you can take a spoon, just a spoon, depending on the quantity of the face cream you're making. If you're making just little, you can take a spoon and take from this standard face, and you add it inside your face cream. It's just going to give you that clear, lovely face. So let me just show you the picture. So this is made with fruit acid and it is 100% natural. So anything that is made with fruit acid works perfectly. It's just like using glycolic acid or using lactic acid on your product, but now we are using it in a fruit acid form, so it works perfectly fine without any burns. You know, if you're using glycolic acid or lactic acid, you can burn your face if you really don't know how to use it. So this one is fruit acid, and you can use this as a face cleanser. You can use this on your knuckles. Just pour this into a container and use the cotton wood and use it to clean your knuckles, the side where you have your knuckles, not just your knuckles, even your knees and also your elbows, right? So this is the standard face lotion, and it's a whitening lotion anyway. So if you are dark in complexion, you want to use this, you can try to like dilute it with rose water. Yes, you can dilute it with rose water if you're dark in complexion, like you want to use it as a cleanser. But if you're light in complexion or you want to go light in complexion, you can use this directly on your face, on your knuckles, on your elbows, on your knees. So it's a whitening lotion, and this, I don't know, I think this is from Yaounde, something like that. I think this is from Yaounde, and it's very effective, guys, trust me. This is very, very effective if you want to treat sunburn, if you want to use any cleanser, like if you want to customize a cleanser for your client. Okay, if you want to customize a cleanser for your client, instead of cracking your brains like thinking, oh, how you're going to do that, you customize with this. And on other, we have other cleanser also, you customize with this, and it's going to give your clients a very nice, effective, what is it called, effective effect, right? Effective effect. It's going to give your client a nice effect. So when it comes to organic and promising, organic is really, really safe. Promising, in the other hand, is safe and is not safe. It's depending on the person that is promising that product. If you know how to promise the right way, then it's going to be safe. But promising work faster. Okay, you can use organic for like 2-3 months before you start seeing the results. Some, yeah. And you can use promising, in fact, sometimes 3 days you already start seeing the result. Do you get that? So you have to promise the right way, so that you don't go and burn someone's skin, you don't go and turn someone's skin into a disaster. Okay, so this product is a very nice product, a nice cleanser. You can add it to your face cream, you can add it to your shower gel. Okay, so some people will think, why will I add it to your shower gel? It's a cleanser. So I do pour this like this, I do pour it inside my shower gel, and it works nice. You know, sometimes before I make some reviews, or before I even sell products to people, I make sure that I have to test it on my skin. This my skin, hey God. If I tell you the product I have applied on my skin, like, you will shout. I have to test it on my skin before I will come and do my reviews, or before I'll come and recommend it to anybody. Use this as your face cleanser for sunburn, for pimples, and it's going to lighten up your skin. And use it as your cleanser for your knuckles, for your elbows, and it's going to lighten up your knuckles also, to remove those spots, those black spots on your knuckles. So I will be promising with this product very soon. Okay, please stay tuned. I will be promising with this product very soon, but I really don't know how soon. I really don't know how soon. Yes, so if you want to know how to promise with these products, it's better you stay tuned, or you join the online training class. Okay, you know, the training class, there are some things, there are some tips we give. Here on YouTube channel, we don't give that tips, and here on YouTube channel, don't get deceived, like somebody will tell you this is a full recipe. Yeah, sometimes we give the full recipes, but sometimes when you know that product is for sale, you can sell that product. We cannot leave the full recipe because that product will sell it, right? So it's better you join the online class so that you can get the full knowledge on how to promise with this stuff. So when it comes to the promising, if you want to sell an effective, you want your product to be really effective, you can be doing promising and you can be doing organic in the other hand. So there are some clients that will be patient and they want to buy organic, then you make organic for them. And there are some clients that they want fast action thing. Okay, and you can make the promising product for them. If you're into creams, you want to sell cream, because if you're just doing just the organic stuff, you're really not going to be getting much clients that much. Okay, so you have to miss it. That is why you have to learn how to do the promising also. And this is one product that is also good for promising. This is made with aloe vera, it's made with lime, it's made with carrot. So this is a very good product when it comes to promising of cleansers, knuckles treatment, sunburn treatment, dark skin. If you have a very dark face, your face is not looking bright, like, trust me, use this. Just try to customize this and use it on your face. If you're having a very dark face, from your face to your neck, if they're very dark, customize this, like, mix it with other products, and you're going to, in fact, 1 week you already seen results. So trust me, 1 week you're already seeing the result. And if a client buy that product and 1 week the client starting seeing result, the person is going to come back again. So you get that, is going to come back again. So you have to, for those people that doesn't want to lighten up, you have to dilute this with rose water, witch hazel, and there are some things you're also going to add to it that is not going to prevent your face from drying up, okay, because these things are made with fruit acid, so you really need moisturizers, because fruit acid is kind of drying on the skin. It does its work, but it's drying, so you need some kind of moisturizer which you can use on your skin after you must have finished using this standard face lotion. And please get the standard face lotion, the original one, because a student of mine that I taught how to I taught her how to make a face cream, which is a promissing, and this product is included. So but she said she used this product and the cream was separating, like the cream was separating, or the oils was separating, or this product was separating. So you get that? So she got the fake product, because this is the same thing that I use if I want to promise product for my clients, and I have not seen anything like separation in my product. So try to get the original one, and don't be surprised, they will be selling the original one and the fake one the same price, so you will not really know. So if you're buying from one place, make sure you're buying from that same place, and you have to tell the person that, please, you need the original one, so you know that this person is your client and the person needs to be giving you the original product. If you buy the fake one, it's going to separate from your anything that you want to use it to formulate with, okay? So guys, hope this video is okay and you find this very helpful. If you need questions, please leave your comments below the description box. The contacts, the online training contact is below the description box. Just 20 people, please. You guys should not rush me. Just 20 people. So that is it for today's video, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye. See you guys.